Facebook lets you add music to some posts, but not all. Here's where it works and how to do it. You can add music to text-only posts, reels, stories, and your profile, but it won't work on photo-only posts or regular albums. To add music to a text post, open the Facebook app and tap What's on your mind. Next, tap the music note icon. Search for a track, pick a snippet, and post it. Your post will show a clickable card with the song and album art. This only works for plain text posts, not photos. For Reels and videos, you need to use the Reels editor before posting. Follow the instructions shown on screen. Stories do support music. Just tap Create Story, pick a photo or video, hit the sticker icon, and choose Music. Search for a song, select a snippet, and customize how it appears, lyrics, title, or album art. To pin a song to your profile, tap Edit Profile. Scroll to edit your About info and find the Music section. Tap the plus icon, pick a track, and tap it again to pin it under your name. That's how Facebook Music works across posts, stories, and profiles. If you want more details or troubleshooting tips, check out our full blog linked in the description.